Okay, so we're going to delete the default cube by hitting X and delete, and we're going to make a new object that's going to be just the cylinder. And when you first make an object in Blender, you'll get this little menu here you can open up, and you can change the depth and the radius and all kinds of things. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make this the rim of the hat, and we're just going to leave it at that. We could add more vertices and add more detail or less detail, but let's just leave it at something like 25 or so. And we're just going to zoom in on this by double finger dragging. So we can fine tune the depth, and if you hold down shift at the same time, that gives you a little bit more control. Okay, so we're now, if I select that object again, that menu disappears. So if I tab into edit mode, I've got access to all of these tools in the menu, and including an inset face tool. So if I select a face by going to face edit mode, so we're just going to select a face in face edit mode up here, and we're going to just select the inset face tool, and we're just going to drag that in. So this is going to be the rim of the hat, and then the actual bowler hat itself. And then we're going to go back to the selection tool and extrude that up, and by default it lets us just extrude vertically. You could type in Z if you wanted to be sure you're dragging up on that Z axis. So we'll put a little simple little ribbon on this, and so we'll just go E and click and then hit scale. So we could scale that out. I'm just going to scale it out by 1.01, and that should just scale it out really small amount. And then we'll extrude that up a little bit, and then we'll scale it back in again by 0.98. And wait up, we'll just hit E and click, and then E and click again, and we'll scale that one in by 0.98. Okay, so now we've gone back in, and we'll extrude that one up, and we'll make that about bowler hat size. So you can always go to this tool, the shift to the move tool, or G, if you've got a face selected. And there, if you want to fine tune some things like this face, you could just use the same tool and drag that up and make that rim for the hat a bit thinner. And with the hole that you want in the hat, you could just leave that, because that'll just, when you import that into the AR app, it'll just superimpose over the user, the wearer. One thing you could do is just scale everything on the y-axis and just make it a little bit elongated, like a cap could be. And now we're going to save this as a. Now we're going to save this as a Blender file and just call it hat. And you can save this locally in your Digitech folder. So maybe in documents you need to create a new folder and call that Digitech, and save it in there. And then when it comes to exporting a version for the AR app, I think we might need to export it as FBX, but I'll confirm that in class. Okay.